Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet this butterfly that I made for my spring themed crochet blanket. I am using a 3.75 millimeter crochet hook and some worsted weighted yarn. So I am going to start with the color of the wings. So I am going to make a pink butterfly. I'm going to start with a slip knot, chain 6, and then starting from the second chain in from the hook, I will make single crochets all the way down the chain. Now I'm going to turn my work, chain 1, I'm going to make 2 single crochets into that very first stitch, and then I'm going to single crochet until I get to my last stitch. So here's my last stitch. I am going to make 2 single crochets in that last stitch. Turn my work, I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to make 2 trebles in the next 2 stitches. So 2 trebles in each stitch over 2 stitches. So there's the first stitch, I have 2 trebles, and then in the next stitch I'm going to make 2 more trebles into that same stitch. Next I'm going to slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Chain 2. I'm going to double crochet in that same space where I made that last slip stitch, and then I'm going to double crochet in the remaining stitches, which should be 3 more stitches. And then fasten off. So here is 1 butterfly wing. Go ahead and make 2 wings, and then we'll work on the body and the antenna. For the antenna, we are going to start with a slip knot, chain 11, and then starting from the second chain from the hook, sorry, I know you can't see because it's black, but starting from the second chain from the hook, we are going to make 7 single crochets down the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then chain 2, and then chain 1 to fasten off. And there's the body and the antenna. So you would sew your wings on each side of the body, and that is how you make a butterfly.